Alright, so today we're heading over to the Progressive Motorcycle Show. We're going to check out some of the new bikes and things that are going to be coming out. It's a little different than what I'm usually seeing, the old stuff. But it should be fun, should be interesting. And I think a lot of the brands will be out. Harley, Indian, Triumph, Ducati, BMW, all the good guys. So we'll check them out. I don't know if you can see this terrible traffic, but you can also see the Seattle Space Needle over there. And the 12-man flags. This is the year that the Seahawks had won the Super Bowl, baby. This is the new Sportster coming out. 60-degree V-twin, water-cooled. I think they're calling this the Street 500.
1 o'clock, you do another?
Looks better in person.
We'll see you at 1 very shortly.
Take a look around.
All right.
Yeah, nice bike by Harley. This is what the dash looks like. I'm sitting on it right now. That's right, everyone's breathing in the fumes. Well, I just got off the Harley, the Fat Boy. Tried it out. Lots of vibration. I was actually surprised. It's kind of a beast to ride.
It's kind of like Brough. That's a
Harley-Davidson Softail Slim.
looks good on him, huh?
Oh yeah, totally sexy.
It's got the pop fat front tire, Hollywood bars. Tuck and roll seat.
You guys having fun?
Slashed exhaust. Beautiful Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Wow. Single cylinder, 500cc, fuel injected beast. Let's take a look at this bike. Wow.
Leg in there. Yeah, these are fun to drive.
From the Royal Enfield Bullet C5. Single cylinder. Royal Enfields. The only knock are these
You got to slide it almost all the
hardware bolts.
and then tip it back. Somebody's got to hold it upright. Like
Hardware
this.
bolts. That small headlight.
You got to tape this so bad, so much.
This cheap rubber here.
So he gets the fender in place and then the front wheel in place.
But overall, man, that's a nice, sweet looking ride. Like I said, 500cc fuel injected unit, but man, these hardware bolts on the mounts and everything, I could just see all that rusting out if I decided to get this. Beautiful, beautiful bike. Royal Enfield. Here are the Suzuki's, GSX's. This one's the GSXR. Beautiful sport bikes. And here is their Hayabusa, probably their fastest motorcycle. Probably not as agile as the GSX though. This is a Kawasaki Ninja Special Edition. It's got the signature Kawasaki paint on there. Side guards. Edition. Good looking bike as well. There's so many lines on it.
There's two kinds of
It's working on.
This green one is
Ducati stand, Ferraris of motorcycling. Here we are on the Ducati Monster. Beautiful dash layout, very stylish. Of course, it's Italian. It's got the monoshock in the back, chain drive. Dang, this is such a beast. Brembo brakes, reverse front fork. It's a 90-degree V-twin, or L-twin. Beautiful exhaust wraps around under the seat. Damn, everything is just first class on these motorcycles. Panigale. If you're looking to go fast, this is it. This is as good as it gets. It's the Multistrada. They're all-terrain. Look at the details on this bike. Carbon fiber fenders. Dang, it looks like a bird. Probably makes it feel like flying. Here's their Hyper Motard. It's the jack of all trades when it comes to Ducatis. This is so much bigger than it looks. Ducati, DFL. It's weighs basically the same as an entry bike, but it's so much more motorcycle. Wow.
This one has
Probably making the best dual sport motorcycle right now. That's what they're famous for. You can see why. Yep. You ever looking out to go on the trails or whatever? Dirt tracking? Man, this is it. CB 1100.
looks like it's almost 12.
4-cylinder monster. Hey. Looks just like the one back from the 1970s. CB750, which of course is so famous now and is responsible for the way motorcycles are today. So yeah, man, it's really in your face here. Nice. 1100. On the CTXs. God, these things look like airplanes. Here's their famous sport bike here, CBR. Wow, that's a pretty good looking bike actually. Here's America's first motorcycle company. Back in show business, baby. Indian motorcycles. Wow, beautiful bikes. Springfield blue, Indian red. Indian Chiefs. Here's a custom one. I think this was one of the first custom Chiefs ever. The new Chiefs. Wow. And this is the old brand new model, the Chieftain. It's got all the gimmicks. Push to start, Bluetooth speakers, whatever you want. It's all the fringes. YMCA status. Wow, what a beautiful motorcycle. that new Thunderstroke 111 V twin. Look at that engine. Beautiful.
In the Indian motorcycle display, and you want to see what's cool, you want to see what's new. Jump on back.
Thunderstroke 111
Indian
engine.
motorcycle, North Sound.
Wow.
Linwood, Washington. Your whole crew's been here all weekend.
Three-stage
You want
cam.
to check them out. We've got both dealerships
Push
in the area
rods.
here. Indian Motorcycle of North Sound, and then we've got Indian Motorcycle of Auburn, Washington, which is here also. So these are two
Nice.
closest deal points. And that one still stands to the
It's
building.
the new Indian with the aluminum back frame. Aluminum backbone.
We haven't got that, but we have to choose. We've got.
This is Spirit of Monroe custom bike based on Burt Monroe's Streamliner that he broke the world record with, and it still holds today. And he broke that back in the 60s, I think. There it is. That's the engine there. Here's a 1948 Indian Chief. Here's a 1935 Indian Scout. This one was shown on American Pickers show on the History Channel. Gold plate painted tank. This is my favorite American motorcycle in history. Said to be the best handling at the time in the 1930s. It's got the hand shift, metal kickstart, wide handle grips. Wow, German bikes, BMW, the HP4. This is their best super bike out right now. Race bike, beautiful. This is BMW's House on Wheels. Here are the Triumph motorcycles, the Bonnevilles. And the custom Triumph Bonnevilles by Castrol. Here's the Daytona custom by Castrol. Custom Triumph Thruxton. Wow, it's beautiful with that 70s style fairing there. Triumph race bike, drifting. Check it out on YouTube. This is America's newest motorcycle brand, Victory. It's a good looking bike also. Owned by Polaris, same company that now owns Indian, so the quality is there. Victory motorcycles. Here's a 2012 961 Cafe Norton, Cafe Racer. This is just the prototype, I guess. They're not really back here in the States yet. Here's another new Norton. This one's a 2014. I'm hoping these guys make it big here back in the States. It'd be nice to see them back on the roads. It's the Yamaha / Star bikes. Pretty much the same stuff. All of these are the cruisers. This is a cool looking one. Racing. My first bike was a Yamaha. Good motorcycles. They never die. Can't kill these things. This is Yamaha's new Harley Sportster competitor, the Bolt. Looks just like a Harley Sportster. At least they're iron. Other side, AJS. ADS dirt trackers. Norton Model 18. I think a lot of these were actually used during the war.
Sorry.
Badass in its day.
Yeah. Look at the way the kicks.
Indian Factory Hill Climber.
Yeah, hill climbers.
Hill Climbers. 1923 Narrow Car. 42 Harley Hill Climber. 42 Indian Hill Climber. This Indian Factory Hill Climber, man, that's holy crap. Triumph Tiger. This is just the best damn stand here. Legend here, Ducati 750. Here's another rare bike I almost missed. It's a Vincent. These bikes had the world speed record for a while when Rolly Free set the speed record on the Bonneville Soft Flats. Very rare bike. This one's a custom, so the purists will hate that, but to each his own. I still think it's beautiful. There's a Morgan three-wheeler. This one's got the matchless engine. Like next to it's the matchless Excelsior Henderson. Another American motorcycle, Henderson.
What was yours?
This is Henderson 4, and the year is 1926. There's the matchless 350cc, and then the Morgan. Wow, this is probably the coolest section here. Vintage motors. Man, the details of these old bikes you just can't beat. Even the new ones don't look like this. Oh my Jesus. The Brough Superior. The Brough. This is the greatest motorcycle on the planet. Here it is, the holy grail of all motorcycles. The Brough Superior. Oh shoot. This is particular one's a 1924 SS80. Of course, they're very legendary, thanks to Lawrence of Arabia and George Brough himself. Wow. The details, the artwork. I was just telling people this is like looking at a celebrity. Holy, the sexy windscreen with forks, JEP engine. That's as good as it gets. I'm happy I went to this show now.